What's up, carnivores? Zach here with American Smoke, and today's a big day for the channel. Today we are unboxing the Camp Chef Woodwind Pro. I got all sorts of goodies here that we're going to check out today and go through, and I don't even know what's in some of these boxes. They sent all this stuff out, and we're going to go through it, check it out. I'm going to put it together. I'm not going to show you every detail of me putting it together because it's pretty straightforward from what I understand, but we are going to get together and have a look at it. So let's go ahead, get into some of these boxes and see what's up. I've had this thing for about a week now, and been real curious what's in these boxes. Ooh, got me a new hat, y'all. What's up? Got a cover for my smoker, and I got a new box. We got some pellets. We got charcoal, and we've got some cherry premium hardwood pellets. Camp Chef, we'll be checking those out and seeing what kind of smoke we get off of Camp Chef brand pellets. I've never used their pellets before. And let's go ahead, talk about what's in this box. This is the hopper. The hopper is shipped separately from the Woodwind Pro unit itself. And then here we have got the sidekick with the flat top on it, fully assembled inside the box. So not a lot of assembly to do on this part of the unit. All you really got to do is take it out of the box and attach it to the side of the smoker. These parts will require some assembly, and we're going to go ahead and get into that right now. Okay, so this is our sidekick, and this is going to allow us to do searing on the side of the smoker. We can cook things in black cast iron skillets. We can boil things, make sauces, things like that, fry foods if need be. And we're also going to be able to do some stir fry or things of that nature, make some bacon, cook some eggs. Really cool, because if you're you know, an overnight cook and you're up the next morning checking on it, you can throw yourself some bacon and eggs on the griddle right there on your smoker. Okay, so we're getting all these parts out of the box that the hopper comes in, and what we're finding is all of our hardware, our casters, our drip pan, the hopper lid, the legs, ash pot, all this sort of stuff is in the box with the hopper. The river wind is blowing today, but nothing's gonna stop us today. It's a big day. So now that we've got all of the smaller parts unboxed and ready to go, let's get into the meat and potatoes. So when you're unboxing, you're gonna have a lot of cardboard padding, thick pieces that come in there. There's two big, thick ones. You're gonna lay that down right behind your unit so that when you lay it back, it's gonna elevate the unit a little bit and cushion it. That way you don't dent anything, but it's gonna pick it up off the ground and allow you to put your legs on. Finally get to open this thing up and look inside. Another hat, that's cool. Y'all play y'all's cards right, we might send this to somebody. I don't know, maybe once the channel hits 10,000 subs or something, we might give this away. Or I might keep it, I don't know. Depends on how it fits me, I'm very picky when it comes to my hats. But we got a bunch of stuff in here, your instructions, your grates, and a few other select things. So let's go ahead and get all that out of here. So one cool thing about this Woodwind Pro and Camp Chef is that you get a instruction manual on how to assemble it that is labeled step by step, and then each one of the pieces of hardware that you need to assemble this smoker is in individualized bags that are labeled step 1 through step, I think, 22. But they also give you a code that you can scan here. You get your little, whatever this is called, and you can scan that and it will take you directly to a 3D instruction video on how it's done. So if there's any questions, those questions can be answered. just like that, we have this massive, massive Woodwind Pro 36-inch cooker with the sidekick attached, griddle top attachment included. It really wasn't that bad. You saw me and my wife put it together pretty quickly. It took me a little while because I'm videoing and dealing with babies and trying to get something to eat from time to time, stuff like that. But as far as difficulty goes, it was very straightforward. Having all the parts labeled for which step they were and having each step laid out clearly with pictures and writing instructions in the instruction manual made it so easy to do. The only thing that was difficult in it was there's a few areas where it's kind of tight with little screws, but you know, what are you gonna do? Just gotta put something together. That's all it is to it. This thing is a brute. I mean, you could cook like 15 Boston butts in this thing, probably 8 briskets or 5, 6 briskets, something like that. I'm really excited to get started with it. We're gonna be doing the burn off and seasoning video. That'll be linked to the end of this video. You can check that out. I'll show you how I did that based on Camp Chef's recommendations. If you have any questions, let me know. Like I said, this wasn't a detailed video on how to assemble it. Camp Chef has one of those. Like I said, I'll link that in the description down below. This was just, hey, I got a new smoker, putting it together, introducing it to the world as the newest member of the American Smoke Barbecue Arsenal. I love this thing. It looks rad. I love all the stainless steel with this black on the top. The whole thing wrapped around as far as the main body is stainless, which is awesome because it's going to clean easy. It's not going to rust, and it's just going to be very reliable. So y'all make sure to come over to American Smoke Carnivores on Facebook. We'll see y'all in that group. If you haven't already, like this video for me and subscribe to the channel. Big things happening. We're growing. I want you to be part of it. Thanks for watching. Smoke on, and I'll see y'all in the next video.